Today we are in San Juan and I want to show you one of the units here in Fortune Hill. Beautiful address, beautiful project. So you have a driveway over here that leads to your main lobby. Thank you, po. And we're just gonna go up so that I can show you one of their upscale units. So here we have one of the units, and this one is in particular is a 3-bedroom unit. And wow, what a space. You'll see it in a bit. But right off of the entrance, here on the right side, we have a sliding door that leads to your guest accessible toilet and bath. So you have an enclosed shower space over here, your sink, and then your automated toilet. And then this is the open space. Isn't it lovely? You have a beautiful living area, very open, very nice and bright thanks to all of the floor-to-ceiling windows that you see. And then hanging out from here, you can also talk to your family and friends who are hanging out here. So essentially, it's a dining and living space with lots of room to spare. Just standing here, actually, I mean, just the interior is beautiful and your view. Oh, wow, what an urban landscape. Again, this is in San Juan. So it's lots of trees and then lots of urban buildings popping here and there. You have lots of storage space over here. And then you have a hallway leading to the bedrooms. Oh, there's a secret. Don't tell me this is a door to a room. Push. Oh, I was wondering where the kitchen was. So this is your kitchen. Okay, wow. So you have counter space on either side. This is basically a full range. You have your sink on this side, you have your provision for your ref, and then you have staff quarters with an ensuite toilet and bath. You have lots of space actually. So right next to the hidden kitchen, we have a hallway, which will lead us to the bedrooms. So here we have bedroom number 1, just a little sneak peek. And then right next to that, we have a common toilet and bath, and then bedroom number 2 right after that. So at the very end of the hallway, we have the primary bedroom, which I will show you. Look at that. So you still have high ceiling, lots of natural light thanks to the floor-to-ceiling windows. Again, has an amazing view. And then your accent wall really highlights how much vertical space you have. Speaking of space, you have space for a big bed, like a queen size or a king size bed if you want. You have lots of wardrobe space, and you have an ensuite toilet and bath with some wardrobe space, your toilet over here, counter, sink, and then an enclosed shower space right here. No need for an exhaust either because you already have a nice awning window over there. So this is just one of the upscale units here in Fortune Hill. This is a low-density, medium-rise condominium project here in San Juan. So if you want to see more and what it has to offer, make sure you head on over to our YouTube and I will see you there.